What's up guys, Stu here. Today we're gonna be playing Besom Simulator. I've been recording a lot of videos on this game. You can see like 2 videos. This is just my 4th video, so don't mind about me, so okay. So yeah, I really like this game. I play for months right now. I just really like it. This game is just my avatar when I'm like pro right now. I'm actually a pro right now because I have 30 Bs. 30 Bs equals a pro, bruh. Equals a pro, bruh. I'm so sorry for saying that. Pro, bruh. But I play game for like, what, a month now? Like 11 months. Or when the game just came out, I just played for the first day. I forgot. It's been a while when I first met this game. It was in beta still when I played this game the first time. It was in beta. It didn't have quests. Didn't have settings. Didn't have like it didn't have a lot of stuff in there. The best time I just really liked the game. Because I didn't like the game when I first played it, because when I first played I was a noob, and you know why noob hates the game, because it's so lazy for the noobs, but it's so like attractive to the pros. You know why? Because to the pros they can mine fast and beat noobs, because you know they are really fast, they are really aggravating, they just like being savage on the road. But I'm not that kind of people in the world, so yeah. I really like helping my friends to figure out when I feel bad, when I feel regretting, but I still help them out. Yes, I'm jealous. Sometimes I'm jealous because I know they were going to be playing Besom. I would say in the first time. I got a beekeeper because that makes me go even faster. I'm right now aiming for the blue league. No, not the blue league god. Wait, let me see. What again? The buckle god. Maybe it's the buckle god, or maybe it's the, I don't know, blue god. I forgot. But it's really my appetite to play this game right now. Because I'm still a pro. There are still a lot of new players playing this game as well. So I just like play this game. This is my appetite. So yeah. I played this game for years, or I mean not years, I mean months now. It's only a year to play this game released, but I play this game every day. To get my phone, so yeah. I really like this game, and when my Poland selector, what, I don't know why my back, my pot all, which is, I forgot how much money it was, but I think it was a million more, I don't know. Oh yeah, it's my polling container is full. Okay, polling container. Remember that too. Remember on your computer head. What is he saying, you? What the heck? So yeah, I really like this game. I'm just now telling you that. Oh my god, I've been making recently on this game. Yeah, I already told you in the start. So yeah, I really like this game. I hope you guys too. Maybe check this game out. You maybe like it or you maybe not. I want to go and let you guys check out my avatar when this thing is finally out. So, wait. See you guys there. Bye. Not bye. See you guys there. I am so sorry. So, I'm back and I hope you guys are still here. And why, I just figured out, why is my Jace necklace? Oh my god, I'm getting rid of that. Okay, finally better. See this? This is the Halloween event thing. I got a cat, scary cat, and tombstone. I don't know, and the Halloween backpack. I really like it. I really like this thing. So yeah, I really know how to sing, but I really like it. I really like the things and the. Yeah, I really like Halloween. I wish I could go trick or treating, but my mom doesn't let me. Yeah. I really like the event Hallows Eve. No. I don't know, but I think you make it this far. If you did, say hashtag new channel coming out in 2019. So yeah, I really like you guys remember this video. What? I don't know. My fourth video, I'll be creating a new channel in 2008. I mean, 2019. This is just my practice channel. So yeah, see you guys at the other channel in 2018. I don't think I'm gonna create a new video soon. So yeah, I am just new. I am not lately creating videos. So goodbye, you guys, and have a great day. Yeah, boy.